Oke soro ngwere ma mmiri, mmiri kọ ngwere ọgaghi aka oke. Oke soro ngwere ma mmiri, mmiri kọ ngwere ọgaghi aka oke. So, oke sees ngwere enjoying the rainfall and decides to follow ngwere. They ran around, jumping in puddles and laughing with glee. Oke, with his soft fur, was quickly drenched, while ngwere's scales shared the water effortlessly. As the rain intensified, the friends sought shelter inside. Inside the house, ngwere was dry and comfortable, while Oke shivered from the cold. The moral of this proverb: you follow somebody, you call somebody your friend. The person maybe is a very badly behaved human being. Somebody who gets away with every nonsense they do. One day you decide to follow him, decide to follow them, and you become a victim. You become a victim. Be mindful of people you want to emulate. Be mindful of people you call your friends. Be mindful of people you follow. Because what they can get away with, you may not be able to get away with it.